Oh, what do we have here? On another episode of These Hoes Be Trippin', racist brat attacks passengers for speaking Spanish.
On March 4th, 2025,
that's
deputies
crazy.
Responded to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport after reports of a battery on an incoming flight.
Thank you. So then she ended up to escalate on her own. She threw water on the passenger that was in the exit row. They turned around to the bottle out of hope. She was talking. These two gentlemen are having a conversation.
Was this?
In the air.
Yeah.
So she would not cooperate. So now this gentleman here are going to come on and talk to you. They want to press charges against her. So do you, I don't know her name or nothing. So when she comes up here, do I just have her to step aside?
She's scared us 1 sec. Just hang out 1 second. I got 2 more coming. I'm on camera, so you know. The day attorney's coming. You know, it was up in the air. It's fence. We get detained, but as far as the charges and everything, that goes to the fence. So he's gonna be taking primary.
Let me call Max.
Yeah.
All right. Good stuff.
You will brief my partner here.
I don't know why people decide to do stupid shit at the airport. It's a federal crime. I will never get these type of people, and I will never get why they commit these type of acts where you can federally get charged. It's got to be the dumbest shit I've ever seen in my life, but people just keep doing it.
So far, in the air, a woman, for whatever reason, was causing disturbance, threw water on several passengers, several of whom want to press
That's
charges.
assault.
I advised the air marshal there that that's what's up with the air that's fed, unless we get any more information that I don't know about. There are 2 alleged victims, or at least one right here waiting to talk to us. That's what we got. And the female's still in the front. Come on.
Are they related?
Are they involved? Okay.
Did they tell you to leave the deplane?
No, they're deplaned first.
Okay.
So you can take them off the jet bridge.
Okay.
Everybody else.
Perfect. I'm just taking them to the room.
Yeah, where's this?
Keep walking.
All right, where's her ass at?
Hold up.
What about? Don't touch me, sir. What's wrong with you?
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Okay, she's the fucking problem. Okay.
I'm not.
Stop.
Don't touch
You're
me.
being detained. Stop.
I'm not being detained
Stop.
for
You are.
shit. No,
You are.
no, I'm not.
Hands behind your back.
I just got off a plane. What the f*** are you detained?
Yeah, you're detained.
You grabbing me like this?
She definitely threw water on them.
I'm not even moving. I'm not even moving.
Stop resisting. Stop, ma'am.
I'm not even moving.
Okay. Let them put handcuffs
I'm not moving. I'm literally not moving. Why are you pulling my arm so hard?
What state you from?
I said stop several
The land of the dumbasses.
times, ma'am. You're not complying. You need to comply.
Back
up.
Get back or you go too. Yeah, because you tricked me. Because you tricked me.
I tripped you? You're literally standing on my clothes and you're telling me I tripped you? You're throwing me into... Why are you throwing me?
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit. All right.
Sit down.
To the wall. And you're doing all of this, telling me I tripped you.
Sit down.
Back up. How the am I gonna trip you?
Oh, black fatigue has striked again. She came off the plane being horrendous, so I can already tell that she was the one that threw the water. Cause why would you act like that if you ain't do nothing wrong? Clearly, you were the aggressor.
Gentlemen. Gentlemen. Gentlemen.
I just got home.
Let's go over here. Come on, brother.
That's gotta be embarrassing in front of the whole airport. Can't take black people nowhere.
So, what happened?
So basically, we were having a
This
conversation.
is the person that.
Yeah.
Okay.
We were having a conversation within the flight.
How you doing?
She turned around and said, you're bothering us with your conversation. We were speaking Spanish.
Okay.
Which
it had nothing to do with it, but you know, she got really aggressive to the point where she turned around and threw a water Coke bottle in my face.
She threw it.
Coke
The liquid or the bottle itself?
The bottle. An empty bottle.
An empty bottle.
It didn't do much damage. I gotta get that.
Okay, but did it hit you?
Right in my face.
Right in your
Right
face.
in my face.
Like a plastic bottle?
Oh, he better than me, cause it would have turned into WWE and that motherfucker. Ain't no way you finna throw something in my face and assault me and I'll get my lick back. We both gonna be getting kicked off this motherfucker.
Aluminum or plastic bottle. As soon as I hit my face, he said like, let it go, you know, just let it go. But I can't. So I got up and I went to the left and I told her what happened. And she offered to maybe change her of seats or change us of seats, depending on her, you know, her convenience rate.
Okay.
And so we changed seats.
Okay.
And that's basically it. But she threw a water bottle in my face, and because she didn't like our conversation.
Okay.
That was basically it. Yeah.
All right.
How the you gonna like something that you don't even understand? You probably don't even understand Spanish and you mad for them talking in their native language? Who the hell are you to tell people what language they should be talking in?
Did you get hit with any of that?
I did know that he did.
Okay. And was this up in the air or was this on the ground? In the air. Was there any further altercation on the ground?
No.
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 We were just having a chat, and out of the blue, she said, "Shut up."
Okay.
So we're business partners. So we're talking about business.
Okay.
And as she just turned around, threw the water bottle, it flew into my face. As soon as that happened,
The actual bottle or just the liquid?
the actual bottle.
And hit you in the face.
As soon as that happened, I got up and talked to the students and told her what happened.
Okay.
And I asked to either
I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. You'll get it.
Man, get her ass out of here. I don't want to hear that.
You'll get on it. You'll get on it. It's fine. It's right here. It's fine. Give it. It's fine.
Everything is to talk about. Relax, y'all.
We tried. We tried.
Oh man.
Y'all get the officer's badge number?
Yeah.
7573.
What the fuck that's gonna do?
Which one of y'all? No, that's all I need. I got it. Y'all.
Okay. All right.
That's not finna do nothing. And then you wearing a bonnet at the airport. You know she don't get no fucks. Anytime I see a bonnet or a do-rag outside somebody's house, I just know that they finna be on bullshit. They don't care. They don't even care how they coming out the house. What make you think they gonna care about their attitude in public or how they handle stuff in public? They don't get no fucks. And I usually try to steer away from shit like this because I don't like it.
He might be downstairs, dude. His car might be downstairs. Dave, let me check.
And I always notice the people that always start crying once they get arrested and everything sets in that they was the ones that fucking did it. They did it without a shot of a doubt.
You want to fix it?
Try to make you as comfortable as possible, but you gotta relax, okay? You're getting yourself amped up. No, listen. Bend forward, bend forward, bend forward. Relax, okay? Come on,
Folks. No. Somewhere else, please. Somewhere else, please.
Okay.
We're good here. We're just waiting for the keys. He's bringing the keys. Sarge. Yeah.
Why do I have to go in the back of the car?
Instead of them like trying to find some ways to solve it, they didn't even come to it.
From?
They were right behind me.
Okay. When you say they, who's they?
Both of the guys.
Both those two guys.
Yes.
Okay.
Right behind me. And guess
Okay.
what? They speak English. I didn't even know that. You know what they telling me? In English, they talk among each other to poke me for me to turn around and say something. They was like, oh, shut up. Or you be quiet. And speaking in Spanish louder. And you know how Spanish sound? Imagine how Spanish sound. I'm not knocking. I love Spanish.
I'm just saying. I'm South Florida.
Look, I go más mito. I know Spanish a little bit, but and we on a plane. You're not even being mindful, like I said. As we in a plane, it's already blocking my ears.
All right.
I gotta hear you. Like I said, I'm not saying to shut up completely.
All right.
Because everybody else on the plane talking, but you barely hear them.
So they didn't put their hands on nobody. You didn't put your hands on nobody.
Nobody.
Nobody threw anything. There wasn't water getting splashed around or anything stupid like that.
I just know I had a ball in my hand, got aggravated. I probably just threw it in the air. I don't know. I just got aggravated. I didn't hit nobody.
Okay.
Oh yeah, but girl, y'all are going to jail.
I was just like, oh, so can I just like be like, you know what I'm saying, like this, like, can I just like whatever?
So everybody's getting loud a little.
Because I talked to them first, I reported it, they didn't do nothing about it, and they came back to their seat and got louder and poking me. I'm trying to tell you, they blocking that part where they did. They came back to the seat and started talking louder, and this is what they said. Oh, you be quiet. They said it in English.
Right.
That part right there, you be quiet in English, and then they started speaking more in Spanish and stuff. Exactly. And mind you, she was trying to sleep.
Right.
Before she got involved, she was trying to sleep, and there was another girl, the one that walked away. She's real quiet. She said she's quiet, but she can tell you herself.
Right.
They was being rude, and they're just playing victim right now. I'm not knocking y'all playing victim,
Right.
but stop playing victim. You started the whole thing. Like, I'm not understanding that. You
Okay.
on the plane, y'all pay for y'all legs to have space. I pay for a peaceful plane trip. Like, I'm not understanding that.
Okay.
She was charged with resisting an officer without violence. Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification button so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well. Do you guys think that the lady was wrong for the two guys speaking behind them loud as hell? Or do you think she got what she deserved for getting mad at somebody talking in Spanish? No matter what the case may be, you know what I'm saying? Both sides is wrong. You know, when I go into a public setting, I don't want to hear somebody in the back of my fucking ear talking. That would aggravate the fuck out of me too. But then again, I'm not finna throw nothing at them. I'm just gonna start talking loud too. We gonna be some loud talking motherfuckers until somebody get off the plane. Cause I don't play that shit. But thank the Lord that I always get peaceful rides. And yeah, because there's no way I could deal with nobody like this on both sides. Both sides was wrong in this situation. But that's it, baby. We out.